Hi, welcome to the binary search tree game. This is the first part of our term project. Now to begin the game, press S. The first page is an introduction on binary search trees, which teaches the user what a binary search tree actually is so they can complete the game and learn this new topic. Now in the left-hand corner, I fitted a home button that can take the user home to the first page at any point into the game. Okay, now we'll go on to the actual game itself. So this is an instruction page for the game, and the first 3 levels of the game are guessing the empty node in a binary search tree, which is fitted with a question mark, and the user has to guess a number, and when they think they have the correct number, they can hit the check button, and if the answer is correct, a letter will be prompted onto the screen that will proceed them to the next level. Now, the user can't actually input a number. They have to use the I, E, and D buttons to get to the number that they think is correct. So I will help the user increase the input, D will help the user decrease the input, and E is fitted for larger numbers so they can increase by 10. And some of these levels may have multiple answers. So press G to start. So this first one is pretty easy. It's going to be 7 because 6 is less than it and 8 is greater. So 7, correct. Press Q to move on to the next level. Now if the user entered, let's say 17 or something, it would have been incorrect and it will prompt that on the screen. Okay, so now press Q. This is the second level. This is why I added the E button, because these numbers are larger. It's 44. The last level. So this one, the left of it is 21, and we are guessing the right node, which has to be greater than 25, but it cannot be greater than 28 because that node is above. So it can be the answers 26 or 27. And let's guess 26. Move R. So this is the final challenge. This is just guessing if this is a correct binary search tree. So the user can go through the whole tree, check the left, check the right node to see if everything checks out. Now, if they guessed false, they'll be prompted with an incorrect to keep guessing. So then the user will be prompted to this final screen, which is congratulating them on completing the game. And I also added a bonus feature, a bonus game. So by pressing H, it's called the Apple Tree Boy. It's basically just hitting on the point that the left node has to be less than the root and the right node has to be greater. So what it is there's a tree labeled with a number, which is acting as the root, and there's a boy below that is catching apples that are falling from the tree, and these apples are labeled with numbers, and the user must tell the boy which basket to put it in, the left or the right, the left symbolizing the left node and the right symbolizing the right node. So press C to begin. So press A to drop an apple. So 81 fell. 81 is greater than the root of 39, so press U. Incorrect. And then just press A to drop another apple. This is also greater. And then if you were to hit Y, it would say incorrect. Keep guessing. So this one is less than. Boom. And just keep going, keep dropping apples, and that's how it works.
Good? After we get the shift introduction, binary search tree, data structure, okay? 3. It was 3. Let's move on to 3. This one's kind of hard. Yeah, that was pretty good. I'm gonna say true.